The WEASEL Lite is a new variant of the known AGV WEASEL we have in our product portfolio since 2015. So it is based on proven technology. It is hence suitable for the transport of classical bins and carton-sized boxes and comparable goods of up to 35 kilos. What is new with the WEASEL Lite? The material flow planning and the commissioning can be done entirely and directly by the customer, and this even without specific IT know-how, IT infrastructure or technical know-how around the vehicle or around an AGV fleet. Therefore, the solution is characterized by its simplicity, its flexibility, and the economic efficiency. We experience at our customers that the pressure in terms of cost increase or cost improvement measures is further on increasing. Next is the necessity of the increase of the productivity in their processes and the adherence to delivery performance or delivery dates at the end of the day. With this background given, the goal was to offer a low-cost solution for the customer. The WEASEL Lite enables the customer a simple access into the first spheres or steps of the Industrial 4.0 environment. For maximum flexibility when it comes to networking or interweaving individual areas or transport tasks, thanks to a decentralized, intuitive and configurable control via a tablet environment. The WEASEL Lite concept and its simplicity is based on several factors. Beginning in the planning phase, you basically need pen and paper to plan your layout, or as an alternative, you can download the WEASEL Lite planner from our internet site in order to integrate your existing layout and plan based on that and integrate WEASEL Lite components. It continues, of course, with a very straightforward and simple commissioning process where no extensive training is required and no in-depth software know-how or knowledge is necessary. Decentralized control via a tablet means at the same time that you don't necessarily need to integrate a comprehensive fleet controller, and it reduces your IT efforts on that project. No Wi-Fi environment is needed, no network and server infrastructure is needed, and no integration into an overarching control system is required. The components are made in order to easily, without complex construction, to easily implement and integrate and commission those hardware components. Once you have installed your fleet in and around your area, the customer is completely independent in order to directly and by him or herself adapt the individual routes of the sources and targets of the network. At the same time, enlargements are possible. So enlarging not only the stationary ideas behind the WEASEL Lite concept, but including different items and equipments and enlargement opportunities into your environment are possible at the same time. When talking about the economic efficiency within the scope of the WEASEL Lite concept, we had two terms in focus. The one was speed and the other one was independence. And that starts very early in the process, with the ordering and delivery process being very fast, very straightforward, and being capable to have from order to delivery within just 1 week. It continues with a very fast, uncomplicated, straightforward, and by the customer performed commissioning process. The fast and cost-effective entry into this automation is ideal for reducing recurring transportation costs in the order picking or for picking for the production lines. This all contributes, and it's a basis for not only a low purchasing price, but also a fast ROI at the end of the day that can be reached within less than 7 months. The WEASEL Lite as a classical indoor AGV can be used in all imaginable internal material transport tasks across all industries and all branches. Buffering in between different process steps can be essential to a constant material flow and increasing delivery performance at the end of the day. To several target locations, I can send my transport order with the help of the tablet. This, for example, can be used not only in the order picking for production or the distribution, but also in the combination of order picking with the SSI Logimat. This ensures that the order picking throughput is not only significantly increased, but at the same time the transport costs are significantly decreased.